Your mother did ever drop you when you was a baby? Guy.
Woof woof. My like the dress that Maya look nice.
Well, everything will look nice.
Wait, I know my dress that's just gone so. And what they mean I talk good. Missile.
John, takes a second. Now won't you come crumbling down?
Yes, so I'm fat because I school yesterday.
Yes, you, Sharnell. Next time, I'm going to start fun.
Yeah, between Sharnell and Shadae. See that? I who win.
But let's go and get another video. Like, I'm going to catch you a thief in a one like a cheap store. Knock off, girl.
I'm here, sir. You got pimpy and then food. Got pimpy and then food. Jesus, I love you. Yeah, that's wrong, man. That's wrong, man.
Just the cat I got a cat instead of man I will
But I had one part.
At least me have fun.
We are not friends and
Walk away because I never want to murder you. Don't get it twisted.
Maya at shut alone you have.
Just shut up.
Look here, see me? Yeah.
Rise up. Don't drop it here, please. There you are. Then you watch it tight and put it in.
But they're outside, open the door. Alright, me I come. Come in, man, son, auntie. Come in, man.
What on, my friend?
Mom, some exciting news for tell you.
What's the news?
You remember the story that I always write and read them?
What about them?
We just get a call from the publishing company and them say them love my work. They're willing for publish it. A lie. A true. Yay!
Happy for you, know?
You know, so I'm excited because if the book is successful, then it can lead to bigger and better things. Shante, Tracey, the author. So just like it says, have a nice ring to it.
Yeah.
All around.
Alright, man. I'm just happy for you.
Something wrong with you, tell me now.
Well, a Sharnell.
What wrong with her?
You want to see the text that she sent me?
What she send you?
She sent me for stop talk about her.
A lie.
Sharnell have some nerve to send me them thing there. First of all, me and her are a friend.
True.
The reason why me and her even talk is because you and her are a friend.
True.
If I forgot to tell about the things that when I hear about that girl on a regular basis, you drop dead.
Can't take the one bag of drama with the two of you, you know. But then if you word this out between the two of you, because I love you girls and this is a...
You have to come in my door for talk to her still.
Alright.
And if the girl get out of line, the boots will come to me and I'm going to start pan her.
I'm sexy and everyone know it. Don't call me a princess, call me the boss. I thank God every day for my life, and you would too.
I'm smart, sexy, and I'm confident. Of course people gonna talk about me.
Of course, give me a word. Spell community.
Now what kind of foolishness this? Them say people are bigger than them face them have cancer. What going on, Shaniki? What you doing at my house? You picked the lock again?
No, this time I'll copy a key for your house. She tell me so me have 5 more keys for your house.
What you want now? Congrats on your birthday! You know, happy dancing.
Why no happy dancing?
Me here, boy, you want Shade.
Oh, that.
I'm meeting the two of them now. Me here say I seen a beer threat.
Tell that either the big girl like she has something for say she said to my face.
Oh God, man. It was me can't tell you drama between you and Shade.
As she started first, but she will have chat me.
Like how what she said.
She talk about oh, I don't deserve my trophy and this and that. I feel that girl there.
Oh, sorry, I the flu.
Oh, I Shade catch that from because you're full enough disease. Anyways, my don't like your book, you know.
Do I look like I care?
No, but she say write her name in the book.
Again, do I look like I care?
Oh God, man.
Me the business about my you know. Me done with a girl for a long time.
Well, she said she'll deal with the case when she see you.
Make she come for me because me ain't afraid of no man, no girl, nowhere.
You're full of attitude, my friend.
You don't know.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy.
I'm telling you, I'm full now.
So call me.
Oh, hello?
We need for talk.
Yes, we do.
I personally don't have a problem with you.
Neither do I.
So what was that text for?
When we meet up, we talk about that.
So alright then. Okay.
So was that Shade?
No, it was SpongeBob. No more Shade, idiot!
Don't pass the place with me.
Don't touch me! Come make a watch the TV.
Hey, every massive have to come along. Go for your suntan in the summer sun. If you want bleach, go back home. Go for your umbrella 'cause the sun a burn. The young girl them a bring it on. In a bikini them in a pretty.
Where are you?
The blindness me a text.
Why are you texting and work hours, eh?
But the money not there, what we gonna do?
You can restock inventory. Get to work or no pay.
We can't tell this now. He's a Jamaican text, so I know my rights.
So this is where you were. What were the job requirements? To be a scabby?
No, but you are overqualified for the job. Come back later for clean up.
So this is where you were. What were the job requirements? To be a scabby?
No, but you are overqualified for the job. Come back later for clean up.
You have a lot of nerves.
Don't do it.
Excuse
Don't do it.
What me I do?
What are you doing here?
To congratulate you on getting your book published.
Thanks. Now get out. Where you get this?
You don't worry about that.
You're demented.
Why me name in your book? Why?
Me can put anybody name in my book.
It's either erase my address in the book or
Or what?
my mother's a liar. I'm watching enough Law and Order.
Well, good for you.
Even though so we can sue you for defamation of character.
You are gonna sue me?
It's a cease and desist letter.
See if I see if I want to sue you. I sue you, sue me. Sue you. Idiot. We're coming out of work to say what I'm gonna sue me.
I tried to control it, tried to maintain it, tried to contain it, but I failed terribly and I don't know what to do. I tried to hold back and accept the fact we ain't perfect, and what we got going on might leave us up with.
Which country do you want, Asha?
Black. Black. I can't.
What is it?
Me afraid alright?
Just we paid 65 man.
Bomba at the Shante right boy.
Yeah, you see though.
Oh, you get this?
Mother working on a publishing company. So we just ask her for a copy of Asha book.
I thought your mother was a lawyer.
Sure, me just teach it. You couldn't know it alone.
Well, yes, you go for workplace do.
Or we, me the one wheel out her head. You think a joke?
I got to tell you what up my work with me and Maya.
After me going on a workplace, don't you know? And Chuma, you know my mother liar everything already. So me just I give her cease and desist now. She will continue to in front of my face. Me I say no man, the girl I get out of that I'm bright.
Brighty.
So me say I fight me start fight her and this woman come run me out. So but wait until I walk her, I go back down the one day.
Who does that?
Yes, when I start talk to dirty people, I got on dirty people.
You're right.
Me, Shante, Shade, I get up at one place, and we're going to sort out some problem you for come to.
Alright then. But if Shante get out of line, me and her go have it on.
I don't know about my now. But you see the things I want to hear about her? She sound like she has some workless girl.
You're right, she is.
You upset now for come to that. You ever forget beaten?
Oh, me? You must be mad. Give me some man. Give me
that for?
Oh, if you left him in the house with nobody in India look after him, and the window them closed with a scissors in front time.
But you want him for do something?
You're the worst sister ever. By the way, what you do?
But I was just beg some money that I can buy myself a car.
Me can't take Tanya and Maya, you know.
Wrong now, the idiot, dirty girl PZ.
And be a good person, rich with compassion, kindness, truth, and then you will be rich in life. So go be happily successful and successfully happy. I wish you all the best. I thank you for honoring me by asking me to speak with you today. I've always wanted to do this, but I was never given the chance. I feel this has been another positive step in my career to pass on what I know to all of you. Go show the world your greatness. You are also perfect, exactly the way you are. Exactly the way you are. And if no one ever told you that, well, that's why I'm here today. The man upstairs wants you to know how precious you are in every way. And as my mom tells me before every show, I will tell you. Go out there, show them who you are, what you're made of, and go kick butt. Congratulations, class of 2009.
For an ordinary girl like me, like you.